This roof restoration begins with power washing and cleaning the roof of built-up dirt and debris after the loose gravel was vacuumed off the roof. Then we prepare the roof to install a tapered insulation board to improve water drainage. We enlarge the old drains with new 8-inch sculptures to allow the water to freely flow off the roof and prevent ponding. Next, we applied an asphalt emulsion with a polyester fabric to aid in strength and to smooth out the embedded gravel ballast. The roof was then sprayed with a primer sealer to provide the best surface for the adherence of the new silicone roof coating. Finally, the roof coating was rolled on at a rate of 2.5 gallons per 100 square foot. This coating not only extends the life of the roof up to 20 years, but greatly reduces the heat transmissivity, which translates to noticeable energy savings during the hot Texas summers. It could reduce internal temperatures 15 to 20 degrees. If you'd like to learn more about how you can restore your roof, give us a call at 855-766-3777 or find us on the web at baker-roofing.com.